Hello everyone, this is Dan Riley for Passionate World Internet Radio. Hurricane Beryl has hit Texas, leaving millions without power. Don't worry, this isn't a rant about how climate change was real and we were stupid to be in denial. It is instead a rant about how this is a chance to show Americans can give money to help the victims of a massive disaster. Look, 11 people have died, and I'm curious as to whether more have left us. A couple million, some 2.5 million, have no power. We can help. I want my listeners to go to redcross.com. You can donate money to help today. There are people who need all the help they can get. One report said restoring power could take weeks. Disasters help show the ability of people to be giving and caring when it's needed most, which honestly has been lacking for the last 5-6 years. Disasters show what's really important when we get down to it, and this is no different. People right now have no power, so they can't cook their food. They can't reach out to loved ones to let them know they're okay. And some people have left us. Right now is no time to bicker and argue about climate change or anything about that. Right now is the time to help. I mentioned you can go to redcross.com to provide help. I've seen my fair share of disasters, and while this one wasn't as big as Katrina, it's a reminder that disasters are a big threat, and we can't afford to assume that it can't happen to me. End quote. The last 10 years alone have seen a boatload of shootings and maybe a hurricane or two, and we've just lived through a pandemic that has taken 1 million lives. I want my listeners to go to redcross.com to help the people of Texas right now, because these people have lost what the rest of us take for granted. And we can't afford to do that anymore. We need more charity than ever. And this event was just adding to some 10-15 years of absolute chaos. This is Dan Riley. Thank you so much for tuning in, and so long.